Welcome back to Quiz Pub.
Think you have the mind of a real detective? Let's test it with 15 tricky riddles. 3 kids came to the school costume party. Everyone thought they were just dressed up, but one of them was not wearing a costume. Who is not human? What did the teacher see that exposed one of the kids? Time is running out. It's the boy in the middle. His cat ears are not part of a costume, and his eyes look like real cat eyes. That means he is not human. It was a very hot day, and everyone was resting near the pool. But one person was not just sleeping. Who is dead? You only have 10 seconds to find the answer, so pay close attention. You might have thought it was boy number 1 or boy number 3, but one just got sunburned and the other stayed in the water too long. The real dead person is boy number 2 because several flies are around him. I'm sure you found the right answer. The museum guard turned away for a minute. When he looked back, the golden statue was gone. 3 people were still in the room. Who is the thief? Be careful with this riddle. It's not what it looks like at first. The answer is number 3. Look closely at what seems to be his tie. It is actually the missing golden statue hidden under his jacket. That means he is the thief. People were waiting at the train station. Everything looked normal, but one of them was much more dangerous than they seemed. Which person is dangerous? Which person looks the most suspicious? Time is running out. It's man number 3. Even though he is wearing a police uniform, his face is on the wanted poster. That makes him dangerous. 3 scientists were working in the lab, but when the professor walked in, he quickly saw that one of them had lied on his resume. Who is the dumbest? What did the professor see that exposed the dumbest one? The answer is number 1. He is holding a book called Chemistry for Beginners. That means he lied on his resume, and he is the dumbest one in this scene. 3 travelers were lost in the desert with no way home, but one of them found something that could save them. Who is the smartest? Which one made the smartest choice to survive and escape the desert? It's the girl in the middle. She chose to take a map and water, while gold and a suitcase of things will not help them get home. The teacher walked into the classroom and saw an amazing drawing on the board. 3 students were nearby. Who painted the masterpiece? This drawing is truly amazing. Can you figure out who made it? The answer is number 3. There is chalk on her desk in the same colors as the drawing. She also has a chalk mark on her sleeve. That means she is the masterpiece maker. 3 people were trapped on an empty island. Everyone tried to help in their own way, but one choice could save them much faster. Who is the smartest? Who is doing the most useful thing? Time is ticking away. It's the boy in the middle. He made a fire, so rescuers can spot them faster, and it will keep them warm at night. The phone has no signal here, and catching a crab with bare hands is only risky. A night ball was held in an old fancy mansion. 3 vampires arrived, but one of them was only pretending. Who is the fake vampire? You only have 10 seconds to find the answer, so pay close attention. Time is running out. The answer is number 3. Vampire number 3 has a reflection in the mirror. Real vampires don't have reflections, so he is the fake vampire. 2 dads were taking care of their children in different places, but one child was clearly not safe. Which dad is careless? Which dad is a bad example for others? Time is running out. It's the dad on the left. He is looking at his phone instead of watching his child, while the child is already running toward the pool. That could be dangerous. The dad on the right is only teaching his child to clean up, so that is just parenting. Mom brought in the birthday cake and left the room for just a minute. When she came back, the cake was smashed and 3 kids were standing nearby. Who ruined the cake? What did the mom see that made her know which child was guilty? Even though the boy in the middle has a knife with cake cream on it, he was only trying to cut the cake. The cake looks like it was smashed by hand, and only the boy on the left has 3 students moved into the dorm with their bags. But the dorm manager quickly saw that one of them was breaking the rules. Who is breaking the rules? What did the dorm manager see that made him angry? The clock is ticking. It's student number 3. There is a cat in his backpack, and you can see its tail sticking out. The crossed out paw sign on the wall means pets are not allowed here. A man was found dead inside a big house. 3 people were nearby, but when the detective looked at the body, he knew who did it. Who is the killer? Only real detectives can find the answer. The clock is ticking. The answer is number 1. There are bloody barefoot prints on the floor near the victim, and only the boy on the left is barefoot. 3 friends sneaked into an old abandoned theater. Everything looked quiet, but one of them was only seconds away from danger. Who is in danger? Which teenager could be in danger? Find the answer before time runs out. It's boy number 2. A heavy theater sandbag is hanging above his head on an almost broken rope. That puts him in danger. A museum guard saw 2 boys standing like statues. At first, they both looked convincing, but only one truly belonged there. Who is the real statue? It's the boy on the right. His whole body has cracks, like an old statue. The boy on the left is only standing still like 6'7", so he is just pretending. The boss walked into the workshop and saw 2 workers on the job. He quickly stopped one of them before something bad happened. Who is in danger? The boss saw the problem as soon as he walked into the room. Can you? It's the worker on the right. He is cutting wood without gloves, so his hands are too close to the sharp blade. One wrong move could badly hurt him. That's why the boss stopped him right away. 3 people were trapped on a lonely island with no help nearby. Each one tried to survive in a different way. Who will survive? This riddle is the trickiest one, so think twice before choosing your answer. Time is running out. All of them will survive. Each one is doing something useful. The girl is looking for supplies. One boy made a fire, and the other is trying to get attention so a passing plane can see them. Look closely at the playground. The 2 pictures may seem identical, but 4 things are not the same. Find 4 differences. Only geniuses can find all 4 differences. Here are the 4 differences. The grass is replaced with sand. The toy car is replaced with a sand mold. The girl on the left has a red shirt instead of a pink one, and the cloud is shaped like a heart instead of a normal cloud. That was the last challenge for today. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, and comment how many riddles you solved today. See you in the next video.